Driving across Canada this summer, Lake Superior really stood out as a real Canadian landmark. It's the largest freshwater lake in the world. You can see in my video rivers and creeks that are feeding Superior. There's these big spectacular waterfalls. But I liked the lake itself, just being able to jump in, and it was always seemed to be clean. For someone like me who's more into the outdoors and the swimming and cliffy terrain, there's beaches. And on the Canadian side, the two major cities are Thunder Bay to the west and Sault Ste. Marie to the kind of southeast. Lots of amenities in the cities, not too busy, unlike other parts of Ontario.